Here I'm going to show you how to change the SSH port on your Linux operating system or Raspbian, whatever you may be using. It should be pretty much the same. So, default's port 22, but let's change that to something different. So I'm using Linux Mint right now on the Atomic Pi for this, but pretty much the same thing for like a Raspberry Pi or whatnot. So we need to get into the following here. So we'll just put in our password. And as you can see right down here, we have the hash port 22. So we're going to remove that. And we could change this to whatever you really kind of feel like. So we're just going to change it to 222. But you could change it to something different if you like. So we're going to do a Control X, Y, and Enter. Now that that's changed, we are going to restart the service. So, restart. Oops. Alright, so now that it's restarted, if we open up another shell here, what we can do is, well, we can just make this the way it was. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So now, if we just do a normal SSH into this using default 22, as you can see, it won't work. So what we need to do is, on the Mac here, we can just add a -P 222, so -P for port 222, username at IP address. And now we are in. So that's pretty much it. Then basically do the same thing. If you want to take it back to default, we could just mark that out, Control X, Y, and Enter, and do another restart. And if we open up another window here, we can get rid of that because that won't work. So if we get rid of the custom, there we go, we're back in. So that's how simple it is to change the port for your SSH on a Linux operating system. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.